useReducer, an alternative to useState. useReducer is usually preferable to useState when you have complex state logic that involves multiple sub-values or when the next state depends on the previous one. useReducer also lets you optimize performance for components that trigger deep updates because you can pass dispatch down instead of callbacks. Here's the counterexample to useReducer. In this example, we are creating a initial state object which have a count that is 0. Then after creating the initial state, we are going to write a function which have a state and action which is going to come from the useReducer hook. We are going to use a condition statement which will update the state according to the type we pass from the dispatch. Here we are going to use the switch case statement that will increment the state by 1 whenever we dispatch with the type of increment. After creating a reducer function, now it's time to consume it using the useReducer hook. useReducer will give us two things, first as state and the second as the dispatch function. We are gonna import it from React like a normal hook. And it takes a reducer as a first argument and the initial state as a second. For getting our count value from the state, we have to use state like this, state.count, and we will have the current count value. And for incrementing the state, we have to use that dispatch function which is given by the useReducer hook itself. Here we just gonna pass the type as increment whenever we click on the button.